In this video, I'm going to show you how to make professional CV using Canva free account. Log in your Canva account, then in the search bar type CV, hit enter. There is lots of templates. All templates are professional. You can choose one of them. For this tutorial purpose, I will choose this one. This one look like more professional. Then click on the customize template. First of all, I will make design little bit bigger to increasing the value of the slider. This will help me to customize the CV easily. First of all, I will customize the CV. First of all, I will change the name. To change the name, click on the name and select it. Then change your name. After that, I will change the contact information. First of all, I will change the number. It's also same. First of all, click on the phone number, then select it, then change your phone number. After that, I will change the mail. Select the mail and replace it with your own mail. After that, I will change the address. I will replace my address. In this way, you have to change all the information with your own information. It's very simple and easy. Just select and change the information with your own information. When you happy with your design, then click on share and then click on download. For better quality, I will choose PDF standard format and then click on download. Now you have a professional CV. That's how we can create a professional CV using Canva. If this video helped out, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Canva tutorial.